Welcome back to the channel. Y'all know me as seaweed-pete, and today's a little adventure. You'll find me in, you could say I'm in PV. Well, between PV and Torrance State Beach, and the small little beach called Rat Beach. Didn't see any rats, just a bunch of seagulls. Anywho, as the title says, bird's nest, aka backlash. If you're fishing with a bait caster, you'll come into this, you know, you'll see yourself getting to this binder called bird's nest. A lot of people get upset, but what I do is just take a break, relax. As you can see, just let some line out, pinch it, and start going into it. Try to see where it's pinched at. Just pick at it. The more pick at it, you'll see where it's coming from, and you can undo the bird's nest. And that's it. Really simple tip. Let line out, look at it, pick at it, slowly put some line out, and then when it's all clear, reel it back in and recast. Once again, guys, thank you for joining me on my little adventures, and I'll see you next time. And remember, keep on fishing.